In a jungle school not far away lived a kitty cat who loved to play. She held paws with Tiger, big and strong, but something sneaky was going on. Oh no, Kitty's in a twist, caught her whispering with a leopard she kissed. Tiger's roar shook the jungle wide. Kitty, why'd you sneak and hide? She said, I just like spots, not stripes. But Tiger, you're still kinda nice. Kitty's on the run, too many boyfriends, way too much fun. Tiger smiled and gave a wink. Yes, I need a tiger queen, I think. Kitty waved from a jungle tree, shouting, I'm just wild and free. Oh me, that kitty's bold. Cheating stories never get old.